Rumour mill working overtime today. Check this out from Doomberg on X. SpaceX is considering a potential merger with Tesla, as well as an alternative combination with xAI, according to sources. A sign Elon Musk is weighing how to consolidate his empire. Now, this is Doomberg. Sometimes they're on the money, sometimes they report total BS, but I can't not at least bring this up. I actually just wanted to share a poll I recently conducted on X. Apparently I was one of the few people able to test out the image poll, so not everyone could see the actual results, but plenty of people replied. I asked, "Dear Tesla shareholders, do you want to own SpaceX too?" And of the respondents who either voted yes or no, 96.3% voted yes. Obviously, I have a very biased audience. In fact, after posting these results, I noted that I have the smartest audience on X and then asked Grok to guess the average IQ of my followers on X. Grok said around 115 to 120, and honestly, that's probably pretty accurate. Now, this obviously doesn't include particularly many institutional investors or that many money managers, but among retail investors, you can't get much better than this level of support. Now, you guys might recall a couple of all-in podcasts ago, Chamath Palihapitiya predicting in his contrarian view that SpaceX would reverse merge with Tesla. I speculated at the time he could just be theorizing what might happen, or maybe he knows something, maybe he's even pitched something, maybe he's had some discussions, maybe not. So I saw this today, somebody tagging Chamath with these rumors. Let's look at the actual quote first. SpaceX is actually considering a merger with Tesla or xAI. Trap Dog tagging Chamath. Called it, sir. As always, thank you. Chamath says, "Just let me buy Elon." In other words, a big conglomeration of all of his companies, endeavors, projects. And by the way, who wouldn't want to own a slice of that? Now, at this point, we don't really know how credible these rumors are or aren't, but it is worth noting that Elon Musk seems to have been on another X-bender, posting a lot about all three of the companies in question, Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI. By the way, excuse the window cleaners making a bit of noise in the background. One recent example, Elon Musk writes, "Much more coming out from xAI. We are cooking hard on many projects." Pomp posting this graphic showing free cash flow history of pure electric vehicle makers. We've seen this before. Tesla printing over $20 billion in lifetime free cash flow versus literally all the other so-called EV manufacturers still very, very much in the red. Oh, and that's not including those that have gone bankrupt and will never reach cash flow positive over their lifetimes because they're no longer in business. On this post, in response, Elon Musk reposting, by the way, he didn't even need to interact with this, let alone repost, with the caption after Pomp says, "This is an insane chart." For now, if I didn't know any better, I might think that Elon Musk is implying, if you thought this was a lot, just you fucking wait. And don't forget, Tesla's $2 billion investment in xAI. And now here's where things get extremely interesting. Somebody on X, Watch Guru, posts Elon Musk's SpaceX in talks to merge with xAI before IPO. I'll tell you what, if that were to occur, the valuation there has got to be easily 1.something trillion. This gets reposted with the caption, "SpaceX will be the Dyson Swarm company. We are locked in for Kardashev too." Again, Elon Musk did not need to interact with this, but he did. Responds, "Yeah." Now, before anyone busts a nut, this "yeah" is quite clearly in response to the fact that we are locked in for Kardashev too. SpaceX not fucking around. This is not Elon Musk confirming, although it's not Elon Musk denying the post that was being quoted here about SpaceX being in talk to merge with xAI, and I don't think Musk will explicitly comment on any of this stuff until resolved. However, he could also just have said absolutely nothing, or seen this and said fake news, but yes, SpaceX is shooting for Kardashev too. Dave Lee today posting SpaceX plus xAI plus Tesla. Let's do it. And I would love to see this happen. There's plenty more discussion on this. Aaron wrote, "If true, CapEx expenditure aligns. SpaceX AI narrative aligns. Will be funny to see analysts try and wrap their head around the revenue lines from X, Grok, Starlink and launch though." Good point. Larry Goldberg responds to this. "It gets better. Once the SpaceX and AI merger is done and IPO'd, Tesla acquires control by a share swap that leaves Elon in control of the whole, as I foretold. And we still ain't done." Recent podcast here with Sean Maguire, I think his name is, a VC. Currently, I think has well over $10 billion invested in SpaceX. Some quotes from the podcast here. "I think that xAI is severely underrated. Just kind of blows my mind that people don't understand how fast the company is moving. xAI is going to shock people with the scale that it gets to quickly. With xAI, They've been building the biggest coherent training cluster in the world, and they're just not really focused on monetizing them right now. More quotes here, but I just wanted to point something out. Anyone want to guess who replied to this, who didn't need to or was not obliged to reply to this, yet couldn't help himself? Anyone want to take a guess? Ready? Boom. Elon Musk. True. Less than an hour ago. So let's just recap here. Bro's out here talking about SpaceX, replying on comments about SpaceX, Kardashev 2, potential merger with xAI. He's out here talking about people massively underestimating xAI. He's posting about Tesla for now, free cash flow, no denial of any of these rumors. So is it just me, or is something absolutely brewing behind the scenes? I would also like to remind you guys of this post from Elon Musk mid-2024, not that long ago. Quote, I've mentioned something like this before, but if any of my companies goes public, we will prioritize other long-time shareholders of my other companies, including Tesla. Loyalty deserves loyalty. Now, there's been a lot of discussion recently about how SpaceX might be able to IPO and simultaneously give priority access to long-term Tesla shareholders, e.g. to reward that loyalty. Unfortunately, I'm just a midwit who knows nothing about these kind of things. I've certainly heard some ideas floated there. Whether any of those are even possible, let alone viable or desirable, I wouldn't have a clue. However, in my current situation, my personal preference is this: SpaceX xAI, which by the way also includes the X platform, and Tesla becoming one entity, essentially merging into Tesla. And the reason for this is pretty clear. I'll explain mechanically why this is my preference. The short answer is capital gains taxes suck harder than a fucking vacuum. And since I've been buying Tesla stock with essentially every spare cent for an entire decade, in order for me personally to accumulate a meaningful stake in SpaceX and or xAI, if either were to go public, I would probably have to start a OnlyFans account to raise enough capital to have a meaningful stake in either of those entities. Alternatively, I could sell a very substantial portion of my Tesla holdings, get fucked hard by capital gains taxes for absolutely no reason. After all, I already paid taxes on that income before I invested it, so why are you fucking me again? And then with the leftover money, having lost a substantial portion of the proceeds and a substantial portion of my Tesla holdings, which I don't want to do, then with the leftover capital, I could buy some SpaceX and or xAI. Clearly, at least in my situation, that is suboptimal. The best way that Elon could reward this long-term Tesla shareholder is by helping him avoid getting fucked by capital gains taxes, avoid having to sell any of his Tesla because he won't, and instead, without him doing a single thing other than continuing to hold Tesla stock via a merger to become a SpaceX and xAI investor too. Now, that would be ideal. Of course, getting shareholder approval for this may be a challenge, and certainly I think as separate publicly traded companies, each of these would most likely have a much higher valuation than a combined entity. You typically get pretty significant discounting when a bunch of different businesses in different industries are all combined into one entity. But this is clearly my preference. Let me know in the comments, what would you guys like to happen? Separate IPO for SpaceX, or SpaceX and xAI merge and then IPO as one entity, or they both get folded into Tesla. So I also just like to put something out there. I don't have a crystal ball, but if I did have a crystal ball and was gazing into it right about now, one possible scenario I might start to glimpse if SpaceX were to IPO separately and or xAI merges into SpaceX and then they IPO as one entity, separate from Tesla, it is possible there are many other long-term Tesla shareholders like myself who would love a slice of SpaceX, but have also been investing fairly consistently and aggressively in Tesla because they believe there's a massive multi-decade opportunity there. Many of these investors may personally hold tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, even some folks millions of dollars of Tesla stock. Collectively, many, many, many billions of dollars of Tesla. If there's an IPO separate to Tesla, I suspect that some of these long-term Tesla shareholders may be considering how exactly they're going to get their hands on a pile of cash to invest in, at, or around the SpaceX IPO. Some of these long-term Tesla shareholders may, in fact, even consider lubing up, copying the capital gains taxes, and transitioning some of their proceeds from long-term Tesla shareholding into SpaceX. Now, I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, but hypothetically, if a metric gigafuck ton of Tesla investors decide to potentially sell a portion of their Tesla stake in a fairly short time frame So they've got some capital to deploy into a hypothetical SpaceX IPO. I wonder what might happen over the very short term to Tesla stock if there's an unusually large amount of selling all of a sudden. The only reason I mention this potential scenario as I gaze into my cloudy crystal ball is just to put an idea, to plant a little seed in your minds. Now, this could actually produce a substantial amount of leverage behind the very idea of SpaceX being folded into Tesla to avoid that hypothetical scenario. I'm not saying any of this is going to happen, but I am saying it's an interesting bit of leverage for negotiations. In one scenario, Tesla stock may at least temporarily slightly shit the bed. Again, I don't know what would happen. I'm just sticking it out loud here. And if that were the case, a reasonable probability of Tesla stock temporarily shitting the bed via a separate IPO for SpaceX and or xAI, and the Tesla stock shitting the bed scenario could potentially be avoided by folding SpaceX and or SpaceX plus xAI into Tesla, that in and of itself could be a powerful tool when proposing this idea for shareholder approval. And lastly, don't forget this recent post from Elon Musk. Quote, "My companies are, surprisingly in some ways, trending towards convergence. I, for one, would love that outcome. Give me a piece of all of Musk's companies, please. Fold them into Tesla. Thank you very much." Want more content? Early access? A bunch of perks? Click the links in the pinned comment. AG1 has been part of my daily health protocol for almost half a decade. It's packed full of vitamins and minerals and helps me fill in nutritional gaps while supporting energy, digestion, and immune function. It also has prebiotics and probiotics to promote gut health. I take my health very seriously, and so should you. Try AG1 today by visiting drinkag1.com/SMR or click the link in the pinned comment and enjoy a free welcome kit with vitamin D3 plus K2 and AG1 travel packs. That's drinkag1.com/SMR.